Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off the activity status on Instagram. People may choose to turn off their activity status on Instagram for various reasons, and it often comes down to personal preferences and privacy considerations. So to do it, first of all, open up the Instagram app. After getting into your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then, from your profile, click on three lines from the top right corner. It will take you to the settings and privacy of your Instagram account. Now, scroll down in these settings and look for Activity here. Then, tap on the search bar and search for Show Activity Status. Some users may have concerns about the security of their accounts. After that, you need to turn off Show Activity Status from here. By limiting the visibility of their activity status, they may feel they're taking an extra step to protect their online presence. Individuals may have personal boundaries around their online presence and prefer to keep their activity information private. If you enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.